How to open a Gold IRA account in 2025. In today's uncertain economy, protecting your retirement savings is crucial. A Gold IRA offers a stable investment option, safeguarding your wealth from inflation and market volatility. Here's a simple guide to help you open a Gold IRA in 2025 and secure your financial future. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Steps to open a Gold IRA. 1. Understand the basics of a Gold IRA. A Gold IRA is a self-directed retirement account that allows you to invest in IRS-approved precious metals like gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. The gold must meet a purity of at least 99.5%. Key benefits include diversification, helps protect against market downturns. Inflation protection, gold holds value as fiat currencies decline. Tax advantages, potential for tax-deferred or tax-free growth. 2. Choose a Gold IRA custodian. The IRS requires a custodian to manage your Gold IRA. Look for a reputable custodian with positive customer reviews, clear fee structures, setup, maintenance, storage. Secure storage options for your metals. 3. Fund your Gold IRA. There are 3 ways to fund your Gold IRA. Rollover, transfer funds from an existing retirement account, for example, 401k, IRA, without tax penalties. IRA transfer, move funds directly from one IRA to another without tax implications. New contribution, contribute up to $7,000 annually, $8,000 if over 50, in 2025. 4. Select IRS-approved precious metals. Make sure to buy gold, silver, platinum, or palladium that meets the IRS purity standards. Gold, 99.5% pure, for example, American Gold Eagle. Silver, 99.9% pure, for example, American Silver Eagle. Platinum or palladium, 99.95% pure. 5. Secure storage for your Gold IRA. Your metals must be stored in an IRS-approved depository. You can choose segregated storage, your gold is stored separately. Commingled storage, your gold is stored with others' assets in a shared vault. 6. Stay compliant and monitor your investment. Ensure your Gold IRA remains compliant with IRS rules. Keep track of annual reports to the IRS. Required minimum distributions, RMDs, for traditional IRAs at age 73. Market trends to adjust your strategy. By following these steps, you can open a Gold IRA in 2025 and safeguard your retirement funds with a stable, long-term investment. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.